Hi kabay! So welcome here at the Grand Park Place, Imus, Cavite. This is located along Aguinaldo Highway with a lot area of 180 square meters and 240 square meters floor area. Meron ka ng single detached property. This is a complete finished turnover with 5 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath, and 2 carport. Tara, check natin ang ating property. So before we enter mga kabay to our property, please see this carport area. So as you can see, the carport area is covered. Meron tayo ditong fence and gate na included, and it can accommodate up to 2 cars. Meron tayong wide frontage. Meron din tayo ditong lamp post, and then meron natin tayo ditong pedestrian area, and then the doorbell. So welcome to our property mga kabay. So as you can see dito sa ating porch area, meron tayo ditong 3 steps papunta sa ating main door. Meron tayong 2 carport. And then on this area naman ay meron tayong garden area. So as you can see, naka-landscape na po ang ating garden area. Ang ating flooring po ay may non-skid na tiles. And meron tayo ditong mga modern accents. Meron tayo ditong sliding door access going to our dining area. So dito sa service area mga kabahay, meron tayong free na water tank. So as you can see, ang ating flooring ay naka-non-skid tiles pa rin. May access door tayo going to the kitchen. So this will be your laundry area. Meron na tayo ditong roofing. And then, syempre, meron pa rin tayo ditong access papunta sa ating carport area dahil ang ating property is a single detached property. So as you can see sa carport area natin mga kabahay, meron tayong non-skid na tiles and then meron tayong PVC na accent sa ating ceiling and may mga pin lights na to na included. Tara, lipat tayo sa ating main door. Let's check mga kabahay ang ating property. So dito sa ating living area, makikita nyo very spacious ang ating living area. Meron tayong accent dito ng chandelier na modern and then the ceiling is cove. And then meron tayong mga well-ventilated area dahil sa malalaking windows. Meron tayo ditong sliding door. Access to our lanay area. So dito naman ang ating dining area. Again, meron tayo dito makikita na center island. So this is also included upon turnover. May cooktop na rin tayo dito. May built-in cabinets over and under. And maganda rin po ang ating kitchen sink. So dito sa ground floor mga kabahay, ay meron tayong powder room which is located under the staircase. So ito po ay complete finish ang turnover, complete fixtures po, and then modern po ang ating toilet seat and even the lavatory. So another highlight mga kabahay dito sa ating ground floor area, meron tayong isang bedroom. So it can be your maid's room or room for the elders, or if you have a PWD member of the family, pwedeng-pwede silang magstay dito. As you can see, kasya dito ang double-sized bed. Meron tayo dito malaking sliding window. And then, ang good thing, meron itong sariling toilet and bath and built-in cabinets. So let's check the second floor mga kabay. So the staircase po is made of wood and concrete. Meron tayong tempered glass on the railings. And as you can see, high ceiling talaga ang ating property. Meron tayo dito malaking fixed window for the natural light. So dito sa second floor mga kabahay, we have a total of 4 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. So this is the bedroom number 1. Tara, check natin ang bedroom number 2. So, same as bedroom number 1 mga kabahay, kaya nito mag-accommodate up to double-sized bed. Meron tayo ditong awning window. On this side naman is the sliding window. Meron tayong built-in cabinets na included also sa ating turnover. On this side naman mga kabahay is the common toilet and bath here at the second floor. So, as you can see, complete fixtures din po ito upon turnover. Bedroom number 2. So this is the bedroom number 3. So same as the other bedrooms, malaki po ang ating bedroom. Kaya nito ang double-sized bed, meron tayo dito ang sliding window, and of course, the built-in cabinets are also included upon turnover. Let's check the master's bedroom mga kabahay. So dito sa master's bedroom mga kabahay, ang good thing ay meron tayo ditong wall accent na magsisilbi as headboard. So meron tayo ditong sliding door. This is the access going to the balcony. And ang isa pang highlight dito sa ating master's bedroom, meron tayong walk-in closet. ito po ay included sa ating turnover. And also, meron tayo dito master's toilet and bath. Tara, check naman natin ang ating balcony area. So, dito sa balcony area, makikita nyo mga kabahay kung gaano kalawak itong ating balcony area. Pwede kayo maglagay dito ng side table or center table dahil pwede kayo dito mag-coffee any time of the day. As you can see, may highlights tayo ditong LED para sa additional accent ng ating exterior. Nagustuhan mo ba kabahay ang ating property here in Anabu, Imus, Cavite? Well, this is amounting to 16 million. If you are interested to view this property, please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. Again, this is Juan Tapawan of Exosia Properties. Your PRC and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching, kabahay.